Also, for Apple release day, I decided to pick up the Apple Watch Ultra 3 and the Series 11 Apple Watch as well. So on the Apple Watch front, me and my wife decided to go from, I had a Series 5 and she was going from a Series 7. So it is a big overlap or a big delay from updating the watches. Kind of just slipped. We didn't update for a while. So will be a big change for us going from the older versions. So the Ultra, I got it in space black. I do feel the weight difference compared to the iPhone Apple Watch 5. Comparing it to the 42 millimeter in aluminum, I can feel the weight significantly different. I do like the girth. I do like the screen size. That is why one of the reasons why I decided to go with the Ultra was to get a bigger face, which I do like, and I didn't mind the weight too much. So that is a quick unboxing of the Ultra 3 and the Series 11 watch. One big feature that I did like about the new iOS for the watches is the hypertension and the sleep apnea. I think Apple pushing medical forward is a great innovation. So just keep that in mind. These new watches and the new iOSs do have these quick medical, I guess you can say medical drives forward to kind of help you with your health. So I know you saw it in the keynote of how the Apple Watch is a medical device. So that's why I like to have an Apple Watch. Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and share.